What possibly could this guy want me to come out to his car and look at now? Every little rock chip in the paint, dust on his wheels. Oh, hmm. He had an unfortunate encounter.
Look at this shit. This that bullshit right here.
He had a very unfortunate encounter on his way down here. Oh, its head's in there.
I told you it's wedged in between
Well,
the.
I thought it was.
No.
Oh, rest in peace.
Oh, he's fucked.
Look at his little juice on your head.
Look, man. No, you know, that's only me. How the motherfucker just fall off?
Hey, it's bear's colors on the beak, though.
Really?